Hi, welcome to Examhood. Today we are considering another interesting topic in mathematics for primary 5, and the topic is ratio. What is ratio? Ratio is a system of comparing two things. When you compare two quantities or two amounts, that is ratio. For instance, in a class of 100, where you have 20 boys and 80 girls, you can see the ratio of boys to girls is 20 is to 80 or 20 to 80. So there's a way you can express it. Let's see how we can express this on the board. So for instance, we are saying that you can write ratio like this: 2 with this colon to 3 to 2. Or you can write it 3 to 2 or 3 over 2. All of them are the same. So this number 1 says a basket has 4 apples and 6 oranges. A basket has 4 apples and 6 oranges. What is the ratio of the apples to what? Oranges. So in this example, you have 4 apples and 6 oranges. So how do you express it in ratio? Is 4 to what? 4 to 4 apples to what? 6 oranges. And since you can still break them into smaller units, 2 into 4, we are going to have 2, and 2 into 3, 2 into 6, we are going to have 3. So your answer is 2 is to 3. So the ratio of apples to what? Oranges in its lowest term is what? 2 to 3. So that's how you are going to write it, or that is how it is expressed. Number 2 says, in a class, there are 12 boys and 8 girls. What is the ratio of boys to girls? If in a class of 12 boys and 8 girls, what is the ratio of boys to girls? So we are going to write it very straightforward. 12 boys is to what? 8 girls. How do you express it? This is not their lowest term, so you can break it into their lowest term. 12 to what? To 8. What can go into 12 and 8 without a remainder? We use 4. 4 into 12, you're going to have 3. And 4 into 8, you're going to have what? 2. So your final answer is 3 is to what? 2. So the ratio of boys to girls is 8 is to what? 2. So this is how we express ratio in mathematics. I hope it is understood. So we're going to see you in our next video. Thank you.